Ladies and gentlemen, how y'all doing out there? Got the left side treated with a little scratch paint pen, and the right side treated partially. Now, the camera's not too. Camera's not a 4K camera, but just you can kind of tell the difference just from a little bit from afar. So kind of come up real close and check out. These are already been applied. These haven't. Now what you got to do is you got to get yourself a paint pen with the right color that matches your car. This one's a Ford. I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyway, this one matches my Ford. They have all kinds of them. Really, the American cars seem to have the better selection of these. I don't know if you can really see it. You can't really see it. Light prairie tan. Anyways, so to give you an idea how this pen works, it's got a little sandpaper edge that you can kind of just swirl around and get some of that iron oxide out of there. And it's actually kind of like using a felt tip pen. You just sort of, you can see already it's coming out. A lot of rust on these cars, these older cars. And what happens is, driving on the highway and a little rock comes up, chips your paint. Sometimes they chip the windshield. So this thing's got two. It's got a pen part and it's got a brush part and a clear coater. Well, it's actually got a brush in here. You could use a brush. I don't really want to use the brush today. You use the brush on really big. So this thing, just sort of like using a ballpoint pen almost. You start to kind of dab it to get it going, get the ink flowing out. I don't know if you can see it or not. The ink's starting to come out, and then when the flow comes out, you just sort of swirl it around, get it in there. Get in there like Bob Ross, just swirl it around. Happy little dots. Swirl it around. And the cool thing about this pen, you can hold it in theory and give you a heavier flow. And then if you for the smaller one, you have to hit it once or twice. Boom. See how good that works? I was actually hesitant to use this. I was using a spray paint can. I got two on a deal at Pep Boys. They were going out of business, so I got one of these in my car's color, and then I got a spray can. I was using the spray can, like, not realizing this thing was actually a lot easier. And as you can see, once this thing gets warmed up, it's pretty easy to. Let me give you an. See, these bigger ones are hard to fill, but this little one, look how easy this is. Boom. That's it. These are. I accidentally got some primer on the paint, so that's not a scratch. It's actually primer. Overspray. Here's one right here. Boom. Boom. This pen's getting clogged up, and I need to kind of clean it off of my pant leg, but seems to be the one problem with this pen. It's already getting clogged up. Here you can see this one right here. Boom. Right here. Another one. See it? Boom. Right here. Another one. This thing, magical. Get that, boom, it's done. And then it's got a clear coat tip. It's got a clear coat brush but you could clear coat it over it once this dries. Boom. Yeah. If you look at the hood of my hood, it is full of scratches. Some of them are from the road debris, and I think some of them are just from fucking people just touching the fucking car without, when I'm not looking and scratching it, just because they're fucking jealous or something, or just assholes. But these are the rock chips. The ones I'm talking about, maybe these ones right here, these are just scratch marks, like somebody scratched it backing into it or something. Anyways, I'm gonna have to take off, but real quick, I'll fill in a big one for you. Just the bigger ones, you have to hold it, maybe get it going by dabbing. Once you dab a good amount out, just swirl, and it just naturally goes in there. It looks pretty good too. Not the best, but it's better than the scratch marks. Alright, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hit subscribe, hit the like button. Talk to you later.